लेते हैं.
Let's go. Yeah.
शोविक बोलना क्या मुझे नहीं पता.
Likewise.
Daman culture, new restaurant, new bar, first day. What do you want to say about it?
यार इट्स अ फर्स्ट डे एंड सबकी जो शुरुआत होती है काफ़ी बैंगर और काफ़ी मेजर होनी चाहिए, तो वो लग रहा है कि आज काफ़ी मेजर तरीके से हम लोग ओपन करने वाले हैं. एंड दमन कल्चर के बारे में मैंने पहले सुना था एंड दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम मैं आया हूँ यहाँ पे ऑल द वे, एंड आई एम श्योर करण भी वही कहेगा कि
यस ऑब्वियसली मैं तो इसके साथ में आया हूँ, तो मैं क्या करूँ, बस मैं तो अपने भाई के लिए आया हूँ. एंड आई होप कि मैं एंजॉय करूँगा यहाँ पे. काफ़ी हैपनिंग लग रही है जगह.
Of course.
सो लेट्स सी कैसा है.
साथ साथ अपकमिंग के बारे में या करेंट के बारे में कुछ बता दीजिए.
मेरा अभी रिसेंटली म्यूजिक वीडियो आया है OSM रिकॉर्ड्स के साथ, प्यार तेरा 5G. आप लोग यूट्यूब पे देखो
प्लीज़ आप ज़रूर देखिएगा. ज़रूर मेरे भाई का गाना है.
और
फुल प्रमोशन.
48 आवर्स में 2 मिलियन व्यूज़ क्रॉस हो चुका है, तो आप लोग को अभी जाके डेफिनेटली चेकआउट करना चाहिए. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स अ लॉट. Likewise.
ये रेस्टोरेंट का फर्स्ट डे, फर्स्ट न्यू रेस्टोरेंट, न्यू बार. व्हाट यू वांट टू से अबाउट हाउ एक्साइटेड.
आप बोलेंगे मैं बोलूँ?
हाँ बोलो.
यही कहूँगा, इट्स ऑन क्रिसमस ईव, इट्स ऑन क्रिसमस सॉरी नॉट ईव, तो उससे बेटर और बेहतर बात हो ही नहीं सकती है. आई एम श्योर बहुत रॉकिंग जगह होने वाली है. एंटर करते से वाइब बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहे हैं, तो आई एम श्योर इट्स गोना बी रियली बी अ नाइस गुड नाइट टुनाइट एंड विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट.
और आज प्रॉपर्टी का लॉन्च है, तो मतलब प्रॉपर्टी हम लोगों ने देखी है, बहुत अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी है, बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत अच्छी बनाई है. और अभी हैप्पी कि हम लोग यहाँ पे पहले लोग हैं जिन्हें इनवाइट किया गया है, तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट. थैंक यू.
इस तरह का बार या रेस्टोरेंट कोई भी वैकेशन या वीकेंड के लिए काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है, तो इसको कितना एंजॉय करोगे आप?
देखिए बोले
यार कोशिश तो हमारी यही कि हम इन्जॉय करें, लेकिन एक बार हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे तो उसके बाद फिर वो माहौल बनेगा. तो एक बार जो सेलिब्रेशन है वो स्टार्ट हो जाए तो आई एम श्योर मज़ा आने वाला है बहुत.
साथ साथ आपको किस नए अंदाज में काम करना
वो अपकमिंग वर्क है.
अच्छा, फ़िलहाल कुछ चीज़ें हैं पाइपलाइन में. आई थिंक डिस्क्लोज करना भी सही नहीं है, तो कुछ चीज़ें होंगी तो उसके बाद में ऑफ कोर्स आपको पता लग ही जाएगा. थैंक यू.
हो गया ना सर?
अच्छा लगा कि आप इधर आए।
Daman culture first night you are here so excited for we are so excited.
How do you know it's my first night? I've been here before. Many times.
But यहाँ specifically, yes, I think we've come to this property for the first time, and I think we all are very excited to be here because we usually go to Lonavala, Karjat, Alibag, but this is like a new destination for all of us
course, yeah.
to come with our friends and chill. So yeah, for sure.
Yeah, and hopefully many more people will visit this place.
Yeah.
And that's the point of this this whole gimmick. So yeah, hopefully a lot of people will come after this. Yeah. What better occasion than Christmas? Yeah.
I know,
The best
yeah.
of all.
बॉम्बे में तो हर टाइम क्लब्स
ये
और
देख रहे हैं,
बार्स
लाल
तो
लाली
जाते रहते हैं.
ये लाल ये स्पेशली आज इसके लिए दमन के लिए हाँ yeah.
So I think Christmas is one great occasion to get like a small getaway with your friends. So I think which better destination than Daman it
Oh,
would
of
be.
course.
So yeah.
बहुत हो गया करजत लोनावला अब दमन.
I know.
दमन की बारी
Daman is the place to be, guys.
So tell us what is your pipeline?
Go for it.
Your demand is there.
Sorry?
also,
Tell us what is your pipeline?
Pipeline, well, first so you all have to know me and Sean have done one show together.
That's how we know each other.
Yeah, we just wrapped up. Show का नाम है रूहानियत. Guys, तीनों seasons out हैं. Go watch it. पहले तो हम
Yes.
promote
On
कर लें.
MX Player, MX Player.
MX Player, yes.
Season 1, Season 2 and Season 3.
Season 3, yes.
yeah.
So that's how we two know each other. But I think there's something very exciting in the pipeline next. But for that, you guys have to stay tuned. I cannot reveal much about it. But definitely, I think
Yeah.
we're
मेरा
gonna
एक
come.
शो आने वाला है Boys Locker Room on Amazon Mini TV in Feb.
Yay!
बस और अभी कुछ नहीं है.
That's it. Thank you.
वेरी एक्साइटेड. हमने बहुत मेहनत लगाई है इस इवेंट को ऐसे ग्रैंड सक्सेस बनाने एंड होस्ट करने में. तो आई होप सबको आज मज़ा आया एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड.
काफी वीकेंड पे या किसी भी वैकेशन पे काफी इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है इस तरह के बार या रेस्टोरेंट का यूज़ करना.
हाँ,
कितना यूज़ करने वाली हो आप?
आई थिंक ये बहुत ही मतलब एक्साइटिंग और नया प्रॉपर्टी है. लाइक ऐसे बॉम्बे के बाहर ज़्यादा है नहीं. ऐसी जगह आपको शायद गोवा में मिलेगी या थोड़ा दूर. सो क्लोज टू बॉम्बे 4 घंटे की दूरी में मतलब ऐसा पार्टी करने मिल रहा है. सो व्हाई नॉट. तो फैमिली फ्रेंड्स सबके साथ इट्स अ गुड आइडिया. थैंक यू.
Okay.
Daman culture first night and you are here for to say about how excited you are.
I think I'm very excited because it feels like Daman's culture has taken off in a way. But it's my second trip to Daman, and my friends told me about this entire thing opening up, and I think it's a really cool place. I haven't quite gone inside yet, but I can hear the noise, and I think it's going to be a very spectacular opening. And apart from that, I feel that heartfelt congratulations to the owners, to everyone who started this place, and let's hope we can get more people from Bombay and other places to Daman soon.
Vacation and all काफी इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है कि इस तरह के बार और रेस्टोरेंट को विजिट करना. तो कितना यूज़ करने वाले हो आप दमन कल्चर का?
Of course, I think आज की लाइफ इतनी बिजी है कि हमें बाहर निकलना ज़रूरी है. तो जैसी ये जगह है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि एटलीस्ट महीने में 2 बार तो आना चाहिए मिनिमम. एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़. डिपेंड्स लोगों के स्केड्यूल्स कैसे रहते हैं. बट जहाँ तक मुझे लग रहा है बहुत अच्छी जगह है, बहुत अच्छा वाइब है, मौसम भी बहुत अच्छा है फ़िलहाल. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट स्टार्ट एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू द टीम. Just Merry Christmas to everybody watching this. Holidays to your family, your friends, and take care and do visit Daman Culture. Thanks.
I'm excited to party. सनाया फ्रेंड है मेरी जो होस्ट कर रही है. सो उससे मेरी प्रॉपर्टी का पहले तो फोटोज़ भेजे कि यहाँ पे अभी मैं पार्टी होस्ट कर रही हूँ. तो बहुत ही मस्त लगा मुझे फोटोज़ में आके भी देख रहा हूँ तो इट्स अ गुड प्रॉपर्टी और बहुत ही पॉजिटिव वाइब्स हैं. तो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ ग्रेट पार्टी अब से ऐसे.
वैकेशन पे इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है काफ़ी इस तरह के रेस्टोरेंट और बाहर यूज़ होना, तो कितना यूज़ करने वाले हो इस दमन कल्चर?
या मैं तो अब जैसे दमन में काफ़ी आदमी वापी में मेरे बहुत फ्रेंड्स हैं. तो सब अब जब वापी आऊँगा तो फ्रेंड्स को यहाँ पे लेके आऊँगा.
साथ ही आपके बैक टू बैक काफ़ी सारे म्यूजिक एल्बम्स आए थे जो काफ़ी हिट हुए. इसके अलावा आप किस अंदाज में आपको देखने वाले हैं?
अभी फिल्म आई थी मेरी पश्मीना जो अभी बहुत जल्दी एक बड़े OTT पे आने वाली है. नेटफ्लिक्स पे एक शो आ रहा है सोशल करेंसी. जनवरी में 2 बड़े गाने आ रहे हैं और अब गुजराती फिल्म के साथ डेब्यू कर रहा हूँ.
आपने स्प्लिट्सविला भी किया हुआ है और स्प्लिट्सविला भी अभी करेंटली चल रहा है, आप क्या फॉलो कर रहे हो?
नहीं यार मैं मेरा ही सीज़न फॉलो नहीं कर पाया था. कहाँ से दूसरा करूँगा.
और बिग बॉस कितना देखते हो?
नहीं कुछ फॉलो नहीं कर पा रहा. काम.
Do you want to say something for the viewers and all?
बस ऐसे जैसा प्यार आप देते हो मुझे ऐसे देते रहिएगा. मैं अच्छा काम करता रहूँगा. थैंक यू सो मच. कहाँ से जाना है?
Hi guys, what's up? Feels good to be in Daman for the first time.
Yeah.
How do you feel, Arshad?
Excellent.
यार ठंड हो रही है यार. हमें लगा यहाँ पे काफ़ी गर्मी होगी पर
बिल्कुल ठंड नहीं है यार यहाँ पे तो.
नहीं, बैंगलोर में ठंड है.
बैंगलोर में ठंड है.
आज सो मज़ा है यहाँ पे. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर कमिंग दमन एंड फिंगर्स क्रॉस बिकॉज काफ़ी एक्सपेक्टेशन है. म्यूजिक इतना बढ़िया चल रहा है. So that's it from our side. I'll see you when I see you guys. I'll see you after.
बढ़िया चल रहा है. जल्दी से निकलते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.
चल रहा है.
Hi, मेरा नाम अर्शन मेहता है and I'm an actor. I'm a chartered accountant by qualification and मैंने काफ़ी काम किया है इंडस्ट्री में. वेब सीरीज़, मूवीज़, बहुत सारे एड्स किए हैं, एल्बम्स किए हैं. And here I am on Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to all of you. And बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है दमन में कुछ ऐसा and very close to Bombay. So I guess normally जब हम weekends में सोचते हैं कि कहाँ जाना, I think now we have a place, Daman culture, where we can all go out here with family or clubbing with friends. I think it's going to be fun and congratulations to the whole team of Daman culture. Thank you. In my pipeline there are 2 web series. There's a movie जिसका music launch हुआ day before yesterday called मैं राज कपूर हो गया. And a couple of my movies will be releasing next year. Thank you. a great event. I have a sore throat, but I'm ready to party, and the place is looking amazing. The ambience is amazing, and so are the vibes. बहुत ज़्यादा एक लॉन्ग ड्राइव भी हो जाएगी और पार्टी भी हो जाएगी बिकॉज मुंबई से काफ़ी पास है एंड इतनी अच्छी जगह है तो आई एम श्योर एवरीवन इज गोइंग टू हैव अ ब्लास्ट. यू कैन कम विद योर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली. इट्स अमेजिंग. So very soon a music video is going to come up, most probably next month. So I'm very excited for it. We'll be promoting it soon. And apart from that, there is a web series that I've shot, and I hope that it comes out soon too. So yeah, it's great.
It's a beautiful place in Daman. It's quite unique. The interiors is bomb and the drinks are amazing. So I think it's a good place to be. It's very different compared to other hotels in Daman, and it's just beautiful all its own. For sure, I think I would be here every weekend if I could, but then obviously we all have our limits. But it's a beautiful place to be. Thank you.
Ma'am, look here, both of you. Excuse, look here.
Yes. Hello, hi. Are you going to be asking me? So can you come this side? Yeah. Because I can't look at you. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. I am very excited actually when Palak told me that you have to be here on the 25th. There's no other plan. And when I saw the pictures, I was really excited. Definitely, I'm going to come back again soon. Looking forward to come back in the new years. Thank you so much.
Daman culture. Today is the first day. You are the owner of this. So, what do you want to say about काफी सारे celebrities आए यहाँ पर? Like,
See, our idea was to always change the entire landscape of Daman, and we've always been saying that Daman is changing because Daman was always one place which is only about Devka Beach, and now we've actually started something here which actually would attract a lot of people from the B town as well as a lot of people from Maharashtra because it's not very far, it's just 2 hours, and obviously we get a lot of crowd from Surat here, but our idea was to actually change the entire landscape and create an entire culture, which is more of a sundowner vibe, which was never there here. The entire vibe, which is around good music, great cocktails, good food. That's what we are. See, our idea is that this is our first bar. We are a cafe chain. We are around 30 outlets in India. We are there in 21 cities. And the idea is that this is our first bar. This is our first pivot when we are venturing into bar. Our second one is coming in Goa. And we are trying to create such beautiful bars all throughout.
काफ़ी सारे बार हैं, काफ़ी सारे रेस्टोरेंट हैं, इस दमन कल्चर में क्या इंटरेस्टिंग है, क्या चेंजेस?
See, what is interesting is the kind of vibe we've actually given is a sundowner vibe. हमारा rooftop जो हमने बनाया है, rooftop के अंदर हमने जो overall vibe create की है, it is one of its kind in a manner that, you know, the entire bar is so green that we've actually installed 1,000 planters. It is so green that, you know, to an extent that this is the first vegetarian bar. And the kind of music we are playing here, we are paying special attention to music, cocktail, food, ambience, everything. हाँ, इसके अलावा I said now we are starting in Goa. Goa is our next venture, which is happening in couple of months. Thank you.
So good to see you, sir. Daman culture, first day, first night. How excited you are? You are the owner of this.
I'm super excited. I see the crowd enjoying here, and this is one of the places which we've built, and we've been actually building it since past 6 months here. We've been working day and night, and you know what we've built has been beyond our expectations. What the kind of feedbacks we are getting from the people here.
Tell us about the thought process. How can you open these types of bar and restaurants in this place?
See, the idea of opening Daman culture in Daman was that Daman predominantly has been about, you know, bars which were more on orchestra based and more on the old school based, wherein, you know, there were only basic restaurants and bars. There was never a vibe, there was never a culture wherein, you know, there was never an entire experience kind of bars. There was never good cocktails here. So we actually built something which was, our priority was to build a great ambience, great cocktails, have great food, and create the entire atmosphere which actually attracts the people.
There are so many celebrities and influencers are there. So क्या उनका response कैसा था इस?
They are loving it. I don't know if they're going to go home tonight. And I think I'll have to speak with the cops and make sure that, you know, they party here till late.
If we talk about the uniqueness of this bar and restaurant, so what it is?
See, the idea of building Daman culture was to build, when we started with the thought that we always thought that, you know, we would try to change what Daman is seeing till now. So that's why our first campaign was always Daman is changing. And I think that, you know, the way we've actually made this entire concept, we've made sure that Daman is really changing, and I think all of them are agreeing to it.
And can we see these types of restaurant and bar Bombay and other any cities?
Our next plan is to actually go to Goa, and you know, we are almost on the verge of finalizing a space in Goa, and we are coming up with Goa culture very soon. We already are a chain of 30 outlets in coffee culture, and this is a pivot model that where we've pivoted into a bar which is called Daman Culture, wherein we've taken a lot of elements of the local culture and built the bar which is still hip and happening.
And sir, lastly, any specific facility for the audiences or ये जनता?
See, what we've done is that हमने ground floor पे एक बहुत ही interactive bar create किया wherein you know the cocktails are made, wherein there is a lot of interaction between the bartender and the audience. Number one. On the first floor, we've actually created a private lounge wherein you can do parties and you can host your private parties. Then we have 2 rooftops. One rooftop is more about, you know, just a cabana kind of a sitting wherein you can just chill and relax. And the second main rooftop deck, which has a huge bar and DJ console, wherein we would be hosting a lot of events. And the idea was idea of Daman Culture was to create a green bar, and we've actually installed 1,000 planters here. The outlet is so green that, you know, we've gone green to that level that also into architecture we've actually taken a lot of sustainable material. We've taken a lot of green stuff here, and we are also trying to get in the green license of this entire space. And we've gone so green that we're also the first vegetarian bar.
So nice meeting with you, sir. And you want to say something for the audience?
I think, you know, you should come here, unculture yourself, because Daman is changing. And we're just 2 hours away from Bombay, 2 hours away from Surat. We are very well located. It's a great vibe. Just take a mini vacation. Come here with your friends, family, gang, whatever. Thank you.
जैसे कि हमने देखा दमन में बहुत सारे डिफरेंट रेस्टोरेंट्स है, बार्स है, बहुत डिमांड है, तो आपका क्या कुछ डिफरेंस है, मतलब कंपेयर करें तो क्या आपका यूएसपी है?
सी अभी तक दमन में जितने भी बार्स हैं ना, वो बेसिकली बार और रेस्टोरेंट है. मतलब वो लोग सिर्फ नॉर्मली अच्छे स्ट्रेट ड्रिंक्स दे रहे हैं या तो फूड सर्व कर रहे हैं. What we've actually created is we've actually created a vibe wherein we're making sure that, you know, the cocktails are important. The cocktails, the kind of cocktails which we've created, there are a lot of botanical cocktails, there are a lot of cocktails which are very different and offbeat. We've also made sure that the entire vibe and ambience, wherein, you know, you would also feel that you are somewhere in another place altogether. Then we also have rooftop. We have given very special detail to the music, because we make sure that, you know, once you're actually having great music, you would definitely enjoy the place. See, today we had around 53 celebrities from Bollywood. There was a mixed bag between television stars, Bollywood stars, and there were socialites, and overall it was a mixed bag of all of them. But on 31st we are not calling any celebrity, but we are calling a DJ which normally plays in Tomorrowland. Her name is Pretty Pink, and there's an entire lineup. We are actually creating an entire different experience of a party which has never happened in Daman. So that's the kind of vibe we are giving here on 31st. Thank you.